Hello educators. Welcome to EduGyaan. In today's video we will see how we can create video with multiple elements like logo, screen sharing, and video input using OBS Studio. So, let's get started. First of all, open OBS software installed in your system by double-clicking on the icon. You can find two options, scenes and sources. OBS provide you the option to create multiple scenes. Also, you can add multiple sources inside a single scene. To add a new scene, you can use the plus icon available in the scene section. You can change the name if required and click on the OK button. A new scene will be added. Now let's see how to add source to a scene. For this, select the scene and click on the plus icon available inside the source section. You will find multiple options once you click on the plus icon like audio capture, display capture, browser, images, media sources, video capture device, text, etc. In this video we will see how we can add webcam, images, logo, display capture, and window capture to create a video. Let's see how we can share a desktop screen to capture the entire screen and record the video. Select the desktop capture option. If needed, you can change the name and click on OK button. A new window will appear showing your entire screen. Click OK button. Now, let's see how we can add any specific program like Notepad, PPT, etc. as video source. For this, click on the plus icon again and select window capture option. If needed, change the name and click on OK button. Now, inside the window option you can find the list of programs. Select the program which you want to share. Right now I'm selecting Notepad to show you. Click on OK button to continue. If required, you can change the position of the program, resize it and set its final position as per your need. Now let's add image or logo to your video. For this, again click on the plus icon and select image option. If needed, change the name and click OK button. Click on the browse button and select the image or logo file and click on OK button to continue. You can resize and reposition the image as per your requirements. Now, let's add webcam. Click on the plus icon again and select video capture device. If needed, you can change the name and click on OK button to continue. Now, under the device option, select the webcam device and click OK button. You can resize and reposition the webcam window as per your requirements. By following these simple steps, you can set the OBS Studio and record or stream the lectures. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye and happy teaching.